welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to try to do the Korean makeup because katatapos ko lang manood ng The King Eternal Monarch. Ganda ng story, guys. Anyway, so yung gagawin natin yun, and
I know I look completely different than other Korean girls. Gagawin ko lang naman yung makeup. I'm not trying to transform into a Korean girl. So,
hindi ko alam kung ba't pa ako nag-explain, pero anyway, I'm using this Snail White Moisturizer to prep my face for the products I'll be using later. And since yung Korean makeup, nag-focus sila sa skincare and the base, I'm gonna layer, I guess, quite a lot of skincare. So I'm using this serum from Dr. Sensitive, and I'm putting it all over my face. And I'm using the Quick FX eye cream for hydration under my eyes. And then I'm spraying the Lux Organics Hydro Firming Mist all over my face. Now for the lips, I'm using this Carmex lip balm just to prep it for the lip products I'll be using later. For the base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and the Everblena BB Cream. And I'm mixing both kasi medyo maitim lang if I'll use the Maybelline Fit Me alone. Kasi medyo pumuti na ako because it's quarantine. And then I'm blending that out with a brush. So, hindi talaga dapat ito maging voice-over na video, but for some reason, my dogs, hindi sila nakikipag-cooperate sa akin. So, ayun, mag-voice-over na lang ako. And then, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to just lightly conceal my under eyes. And then, I'm blending it again with the same brush. And then I'm taking more concealer from Maybelline and I'm gonna quickly just spot conceal the areas where I need more coverage. And then I'm setting my base with the Maybelline powder just so that the products won't move. Ayan, so putting it under my eyes. And then I'm using the Cellutic Eyebrow Defining Kit to define my brows, and I'm making it as straight as possible. Once that's done, I'm gonna set it with the Vice Cosmetics eyebrow gel in the shade Natural Brown just to, set it in place. And then I'm priming my face, oh my gosh. And then I'm priming my eyelids with the concealer that I used a while ago. And then I'm using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the only palette that I'm gonna use today for this look. So I'm taking that mauve shade for my crease. And then I'm taking the pink shade and focusing it more on the outer V of my lids. Now I'm smoking out my bottom lash line using the same shades that I used a while ago for my eyes. And for the shimmery something, I'm gonna use the pearly metallic shade and putting it on my lids. So now I'm using the same metallic shade and I'm using it to brighten up my inner tear duct. Hindi ko alam kung inner tear duct pa talaga tawag dyan, but yeah, I'm putting it. Now, I'm lining my eyes with the Careline Best Brow Liner. This is an eyebrow product, but it works fine. So, kung meron kayong brown eyeliner or eye pencil, then you can definitely use that. But I don't have that, so yun. Ito na lang ginagamit ko, but it works well, so okay na yun. And then, bringing the line under my on my lower lash line para mas maging malaking eyes natin. Now I'm curling my lashes and I'm using the Maybelline waterproof mascara to put mascara. And then I'm using the Sweet Chicks blush palette by NYX and I'm putting it at the apples of my cheeks. And I'm also nilalagay ko rin siya sa tip ng nose ko. And under my chin, and on my chin. So now I'm lightly bronzing up my face using the Everbelena Contour Duo. Konti lang, very light lang. So for the lips, I'm gonna use this Maybelline powder matte lipstick in the shade Almond Pink. And pinatungan ko siya ng Elana na lipstick kasi masyado siyang pink sa akin. Also, I'm just gonna put it on my inner corners sa lips ko. Inner corner ba yun? Basta yun, para lang magkaroon ng gradient effect. And I'm gonna use the gold shade kanina dun sa Sweet Chicks palette by NYX to add highlight on my face. And that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see you in my next video. Bye!